from VK1 CT Portable. Yep, just tuning you in there, Andrew, over.
Okay, I think I've tuned you in a bit closer now. How to copy?
Yep, great copy, 5-9, over.
Roger, roger, very good. Okay, thanks very much. So, well, we might as well record an SSB contact first, and then we can go to CW.
005. Okay, I might get the other guys over here just to make the SSB contact, over.
Oh, okay, no problem. Happy to do that. Go ahead.
Do you want to try SSB? Yep.
It's from Queensland Park.
Wow.
1 minute past 5. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, Tony's on his way.
Nice to look at different
Yeah.
Who's on?
Andrew, DA.
Ah. VK1DA. Good morning, VK1 VIC.
Yeah, VK1 VIC, VK1DA Portable. G'day, Tony. Good to work you on 432.
I actually don't think I've worked 432 sideband before, so that's really good to get you in the log for that one. We were just quite lucky. We got a park over in up in VK4 as well, and they're on 40 metres. So yeah, 7144 if you're inclined. Back to you there. Oh, and you're 5 and 9 also.
Yeah, roger, Tony. Very good. Okay. Yes, 40 metres is doing quite well, and we worked Z01BYZ on 18 megs on CW, so that was quite a surprise. Anyway, there's activity everywhere, and the difficulty is keeping up with it. So I'll keep this short. Thanks for the call, VK1 VIC, VK1DA Portable.
So who we got? Where are we?
1DA.
1DA.
So we're on 70
on summit to summit.
Yep.
VK1DA.
Yep. And we're on 432 megs, so it's 7 centimetres.
It's 432.2.
Yep.
Yep. Where is it? Oh, this is the one. VK1DA, this is VK1 Fox Charlie Lima uniform.
Yes, g'day Christian, VK1 FLCU, VK1DA Portable. Yeah, okay, well 5 and 9 on 432.200.
And QSL, you two are 5 and 9. Thank you very much for my very first 70 centimetres summit to summit contact.
Yeah, very good. Okay, well, it can only go upwards from here, so that's very good. Thanks very much, Christian. See you later.
Thanks again, Andrew. Mate, it doesn't get much better than this. It's an absolutely fabulous day. Thank you again.
Yeah, isn't it? What? It's going to be great. So we'll swap summits in a little while, I suppose, and we'll see how we go there. That's right. Okay, see you later. Yeah. I'm going to line up Chris for a CW contact.
Cool.
Okay, yeah, I'm just plugging in the key. Just give me a sec. No worries. Alright, I'll switch over to CW.
Okay, I'll switch over now.
Maddie's about to come up on there for me. Oh, you've changed that, yeah? Oh.
It's easy, yeah.
Pretty cool.
1MA's listening on.
I know that I can use that.
I've got one of these as well.
Do you want to go?
No, I can't. I wouldn't be able to do it. I don't know the signal. I need to listen for
I
one.
haven't got a straight.
But 1MA is on here.
On SSB?
Yeah.
Okay, yep.
Yep.
I'll just switch it over.
VK1 Mike Alpha, VK1 VIC. You there, Matt?
Yeah, I was just trying to let in on you.
Oh, because, yeah.
Roger that, VK1MA, VK1VIC.
Yeah, no worries. I've had to drop about 300 hertz from when I initially chatted with Chris. I don't know if it's his radio drifting on mine. Mine's been on for a couple of, for about a week and a half, so probably Chris's, but all good. You're 5 and 9, no problems at all.
Thanks, Matt. You're 5 and 9 also, and yeah, Chris was working 1DA on CW just up from this frequency, so that's obviously the reason why. Anyway, I've got Cristian and Chris here as well for a quick word.
VK1MA, this is VK1 Fox Charlie Lima uniform.
Yeah, VK1 Fox Charlie Lima uniform, VK1MA, 5 and 9 also, over.
Yeah, QSL, you two are 5 and 9. Thank you very much for my second 70 centimetres summit contact.
No worries at all, mate. Easy copy, no problems at all. Thanks for taking the effort to head out there.
Absolutely beautiful day. Thank you again, Matt. I'll hand you over to Chris.
No worries.
G'day, Matt. 5'9" again, and good to work you after rollover, over.
Yeah, Roger, 5'9" also. Very easy copy, no problems at all. Thanks for the contact.